This is the male? Alright, you guys are correct. This is the male right here. You can tell by this big bald circle right there, and he knows how to sit. Thank you, Ron. This is Ron, that is Hermione, and this here is their scent gland. Females have it as well, but it's not as prominent as the males. And here is your greens. Remember to cut it as comfortable, as small as possible that you're comfortable with. There we go. Here's you guys over here. Alright, and here's your greens. No problem. And so they like to be pet under their chin.
Oh, under
and
the chin.
Hermione especially likes to be pet under her stomach, her belly here.
Oh.
So let's show them Hermione. She loves pets right here, and if something feels really good, she starts to fluff up her fur there for you guys.
Ooh. Hey, come back. Look.
Yeah, if you show her the food,
Do you want me to hold
so
the
they don't
jar?
have great eyesight.
Do you remember to tear it up?
She's using her sense of smell really to figure out where the food is. There we go. And Ron actually knows how to sit. If you raise the food over his nose there, he'll sit for you. That made me look bad, Ron.
Come on, Ron.
Good
There
job.
you
Yes.
Good job,
There
Ron.
he goes.
And he loves pets underneath his chin there. He will take pets all day long.
Cute.
You got flamingo stuff all over you.
Sorry, I know I'm holding it weird. How about you let me go pro? Because we can take pictures off of it.
Yep.
5 minutes long underwater.
I'm going to let you and Dylan enjoy the food.
For 5 minutes?
Oh,
Yes.
sweet.
Yeah, he sits.
He's recording right now.
There we
How
go.
do I stop or pause it?
He's in the process. There we go. Good job.
Stop it and start it. It's recording right now.
And Ron actually knows how to sit. If you raise the food over his nose there, he'll sit for you. It made me look bad, Ron.
Come on, Ron.
Good
There you
job.
go. Good job,
There
Ron.
he goes.
And he loves pets underneath his chin there. He will take pets all day long. You got flamingo stuff all over you.
Sorry, I know I'm holding it weird.
Yeah. You can't have one. Hermione!
Does he want pets while he eats or no?
Hermione. Are you guys done with your bucket? Yeah. Oh, come on, we got more for you.
I know that's not food.
We got food over here. I gotta get a picture of you too.
Got marks for you.
Oh. Keep enough to feed her too.
Oh, really? That in Ecuador, right? Yeah, they're from South America. Yeah, they're so overpopulated over there, right?
Because in the jungle, we hunt it like a horse. We open it like a horse.
No, I mean they are very.
Will he come closer to you?
Hey, why did you do that? Come here.
Yeah.
Leave some for her too.
Look at Sabrina. I didn't know that. Nothing else. Do you want a picture with us?
Yeah. But they are very Pacific. They have a.
These guys are 6 years old.
And this is full grown?
Yes. They live only from 10 to 12 years.
So are they like bonded with each other like mates?
Yeah, they are mates. They can have up to 4 to 6 pups in a litter.
Feed him. Just put him in the hand.
They can have up to 4 to 6.
Come here. Come here. No, grab it.
Is he the one that sits?
Yeah. Hold it up above his face, up above his nose, and he sits.
We'll just film a video and then
He
add
knows you've got easier food.
Come here. Up. Sit.
Oh, when you're done, it's not for you. I'm gonna pet him.
Hold him.
small.
Can I pet you?
Hold out some food.
You
Ron's sitting.
Oh no, he doesn't want to.
Why?
They're right here by his chin. Here, Ron. It's okay.
Right by his chin?
Yeah, let's see Ron. Come here.
Oh,
It's
he's
okay.
so funny.
We still have
Oh,
food.
hi,
I
Ron.
wasn't too
Welcome
full.
back.
Oh, here comes the food.
Here comes
Come
Hermione.
here.
There we go.
Come on, Hermione.
Come right there. They've got
Mom's got food right here.
There you go.
Come here.
They are so
I've learned that she likes like right under here, and she just starts to like fluff up.
I got so much.
Like scratches? Yeah, like they love scratches around her butt. You can kind of see her hairs are coming up a little.
poor guy.
Yeah. Ron usually does it a lot, but now Hermione seems to be the girl who loves her pets.
Scratcher?
Wait, I want to do a video. Here, Ron. Hi, Ron.
Oh.
That's all I keep thinking about is the Harry Potter song.
Yeah.
She's like bristly.
I named after Harry Potter.
Have they had babies?
Not yet.
Oh, so they're still of age too?
Yeah.
All right, getting up there, guys, in age. You have no more for you. I'm sorry. I got you. Oh, I have
Do you want to scratch her?
I did.
You can scratch her.
Yeah, there's some on the
And
floor.
we don't got no more food to go
Let's see if she
through.
wants to get scratched.
Ron will take
Give her loves.
Let's see, Ron, if we get his sweet spot. Here we go. Show them how you. No, not today. You don't like scratches today. Oh, you usually love scratches. Frankie man today.
It's like I'm eating.
Yeah, he's like, there's still more food somewhere. There's still more food somewhere.
Oh, we should have asked.
Oh, hi. Bro.
Is their eyesight better?
No, so they don't have great eyesight, like at all. They mainly just rely on their sense. That's why they have that large sense.
Is there anything left, he says?
They do have good sense.
Here, I have this.
He's
That's
skittish.
basically all they'll do if they get like scared. It's only because they can see only peripheral. So if you're right in front, they can't see and they get really startled.
Oh.
They have to stay like in their side view.
I'm so sorry.
Hello.
Oh.
Just a little piece
So he actually
Is this the guy?
nails. So if you pet him right
No.
by his chin right here with your nails, he loves nails. Where? Like right by his chin right here.
I'm green.
What?
It feels good, right?
That's okay.
There we go.
You might be able to scrounge some from the ground.
So do my cats.
But they make noise.
They make like little gerbil noises. There we go. Now he's fluffing up. There we go. There you go, Ron.
Found another one?
They make like little gerbil noises. It's kind of like, it's really hard to, yeah. Yeah, she's more vocal than he is. So she'll like
Where you going, Ryan?
make a lot more noises than him. There
Like,
we
you guys
go,
have nowhere food. I'm
Ron.
out of here.
And this part too, when you made this part.
Yeah, they love it, right?
Did you go get the water?
So his hair just starts to fluff up and something feels really good. So now he's taking pets. Thank you, Ron. He's like, hell yeah. So if you pet him just like this, he'll love it. He'll stay right there, especially because you guys have nails. If you want to give it a try. It's like right here and right there. There we go. There we go, Ron. They have nails so much better, right?
Guys, look at me. Okay. Look, Hermione just ditched us.
Yeah. Once the food is done, she's like, all right, time for me to take a nap.
Go.
I'm telling you, I do anything with animals.
Oh,
I can
there we go.
I can
That's
show you my
spot.
sea pictures.
He's liking
I
that.
I posted like 2 on like Facebook, but I got a whole bunch of us that's over
Look,
with
his hair's all fluffed out.
it. It was his pool that he lives in that we got to swim with him. Well, I mean, we kind of just like stood in one spot.
You love pets.
But he came up and like hugged me. Like I had these. He was 450 pounds. And he was like 22 years old, and he comes over and he like hugs me like this. I got a sea lion.
I'll scratch you. I don't have food.
He was
Do you
so
want
cool,
scratches?
Yeah.
No?
You take scratches. You take scratches.
So you got scratches?
Yeah. Yeah, we go.
I am.
There we go.
Look at it.
No, it's okay. Why you so
You're
scared?
okay,
Why
Ryan.
you so scared? Huh? Why you
I'm
so
sorry, I'm
scared?
helping.
So they are prey animals in the wild. That's why they're naturally
I know,
very
right? But you're
skittish.
lucky that you're all like healed up.
You want to come back? Say hi? I know.
This is good.
You're so funny. You're skittish, but you love attention, right? Come on. You can go to the boy. You come sideways. There we go, so you can see her. Here we go.
So they see you forward.
Oh,
Is
she's
that what you
laying
said?
down.
Sideways, so they can't see. Like he can't see us right in front of him. Here he can't see that, but see how he's like turning his head to look at you.
We're supposed to stay in our corner.
I'm right here, Ron.
Okay.
I'm right here. It's okay. Oh, you sleepy.
Here comes Ron. He's much more social.
Yeah, he is. He definitely is more social. He's acting a little non-social right now, what I'm used to, because usually he'll just sit and take pets from everyone and just relax. But I guess it's too early right now. He's like, I'm tired.
I just woke up. Will they just keep eating if you kept feeding them?
Yes.
Yeah.
They can eat. They eat like twice their body weight, and they both are around 150 pounds. But they're herbivores, so they don't really like eat like meat or like big protein. So that's why they can eat like all day long.
Yeah, there's really not a lot of
Fun.
calories in lettuce.
Yeah.
That's a good picture. Smile, Sabrina, at the camera.
Does Dylan want to sneak over here? Does he? Tell Dylan to sneak over here, but have him come
Here,
low.
come over here. Come around the back. So we don't scare Ron.
They are ready for taking out.
Yeah. Every time after
Well, we can go find some koi fish for Kayla because he's been dying.
Did you get a good one?
Yeah, can we do that? She has to take a selfie like that.
What you guys doing? What you doing?